Hey everybody, I got another bank promotion here today within Canada. This one's for Tangerine. This could be a really good promotion for any of you looking for a new bank account if you're sick of your current one. If you're just looking around, you're looking to get a quick promotion, new to Canada, it doesn't really matter. Tangerine's a great option for you as they're a subsidiary of Scotiabank, and so they're a safe bet. But there's no brick and mortar locations, and so that's a pro and a con. Application and setup, very simple. You do it from your phone or from a computer. Doesn't get easier than that. And to get the $250, it may be a smaller promo than some of my other videos, but this one is very simple to get and very quick to get. And all you have to do is move your pay. So your direct deposits could be EI, it could be your paychecks, it could be retirement fund. It doesn't matter as long as you have recurring direct deposits. That's all you need here. So let's look at the conditions here really quick and see what is required. And so you can see here, and I would recommend just pausing on this screen if you want to see what counts. But yeah, there's all kinds of stuff that counts towards this promotion. How do I switch my payroll? Again, you can pause here if you want to read on how to switch your payroll. But basically, you're going to need your transit, your institution number, and your account number. Very simple stuff. You can get that from the app and just get it to your employer, and they will switch it for you. When will you get the $250? You will get it in the month after you've had your payroll for two consecutive months. So all you need to do is have 2 months worth of payroll and you will get that $250 right away. This is much faster than lots of other promos. For example, that RBC iPad offer, you're getting that iPad like over half a year, over 6 months from when you begin kind of churning that one out. It's going to take over 6 months to do that. So that's kind of wild, and this one is much quicker. So that is a humongous plus for this one, is how fast you're actually going to get that promo payout. And so where can I get more info? Full terms and conditions. So I have that here. Really, there's not a lot of terms and conditions. I scanned through this whole sheet here. This is just different types of payrolls, a few limitations, but really there is not much here. There's not much to worry about. And so the only thing you need to do and worry about is make sure you get this done by October 31st. You've got over a month. And when I say done, I mean account created. Then all you have to do is within 60 days, get that payroll going. So you set up the deposits within 60 days, and then you're fine. You can read all this here too, but really the cash bonus conditions are the main thing we're looking at. And yeah, it will be paid per the conditions that we've discussed already. You must have the full amount deposited, so I mean no partial payments. I don't really know if that's even a thing. I would just put my whole paycheck in there, and then if you need to, you can e-transfer it to another account for totally free. That's another feature of Tangerine. Payroll must be at least $200 a month. That's something to consider. And it must be deposited within 60 days of opening your account. So you don't want to wait too long, especially if you get paid monthly. You want to make sure you get that switched over as soon as possible. And the last condition, the most important one, is you must get these deposits for at least 2 consecutive months. This is nice because once you do the 2 months, you could theoretically close this out. There's no clawback like things for the iPad. You have to keep that RBC account open for 1 full year and pay the fees or keep the money in there, the balance to waive the fees. And so this one's a really quick one that you can theoretically churn out really quick if you wanted to and get that $250 for free really quick. There is no clawback here. As soon as you get paid out, you can do whatever you want. So what are some pros and cons of this one? Obviously, there's a pro of $250 to deposit straight to your account, so you get that cash. It's a subsidiary of Scotiabank, and so you get that security of it's owned by one of the big banks, well over 100-year-old bank. It's never missed a dividend payment. You can, all things considered, relatively trust Scotiabank. No monthly fees at all. Free online banking includes debit purchases, bill payments, pre-auth, Interac e-transfer. That's a big one. You want to make sure those are free. And you get a free checkbook, which is interesting. That could come in use every once in a while. You don't have to order them, and trust me, they're expensive. I had to order one sort of recently, and it was over $20 for a checkbook, which is kind of stupid. And you get that Visa debit card, so you can use it online. It's compatible with Apple and Google Pay, as well as Samsung Pay. Couple fees here, or cons I should say. $1.50 fee for anything that's non-Scotiabank, and so you can use any Scotiabank ATM and it'll be free. Otherwise, $1.50. And if you need more checkbooks, somehow more than 50, it's $50 for a checkbook. So the first 50 should honestly probably last most people a super long time, but if not, you have to pay more. That's all for today though, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave it a like if you got some value out of this video. And subscribe if you want to see more. I plan to upload more bank content as well as maybe some credit card reviews. We'll see, but I plan to do more content. Thanks for watching.